Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a card using Unity stamps, Winnie the Pooh Making Memories with Pooh Bear. It's such a cute stamp and I have a collection going now. So I decided to use Fabriano. This is hot pressed paper. I just recently got it. Usually I use cold press. The difference between cold press and hot press is that the hot press is smoother. The cold press has a little bit of a rough texture. So I am, it's a 5x7 paper pack, and I just cut out a piece and taped it to my clipboard here. I'm using some Corinne brush markers, and I decide to just use a stamp block. Sometimes I feel well, actually, I like to color better using my stamp block most of the time because then I can kind of control the color. Sometimes when I just color onto my cardstock, it is hard for me to blend. So that is, I mean, sometimes I do it just like right now, but that was just because I wanted a little bit of like a wood grain. I wanted it to look more wood grain on the fence here. So for my card, I chose not to look at anyone's designs, and I just wanted it to look like a lake that they're looking at. To me, that's peaceful. This could easily be like a Father's Day card also. So that is, you'll see why I will be coloring blue there for the lake. Afterwards, I noticed that, I looked at designs and I was like, oh, that's what they intended that for, but that's okay because I wanted a lake and I thought it was like a peaceful scene. I love water. So I don't know if you've used Corinne markers. They're fun. It was a lot of bit of coloring. So I don't show you all the coloring. I do speed through it, but I had to take breaks. I drank some coffee. It was in the morning, so I would start and then I'd take a break and then start again. So I was drinking coffee during the morning here. And I just found it really relaxing just to color. I love watercoloring. It's just the most relaxing thing for me to do when crafting, and I just don't ever do it enough. I'm usually want to do quick coloring with Copic markers, and so that is usually why that is my first medium that I go to. So here I am doing the sky. It takes me a little bit of like water and time to get it to the way I liked it. So I'm just putting all kinds of different blues down on my block here. I don't have all the Corinne markers, but I have quite a few, and that is enough since you can blend different colors. I think I started off with the 24 pack and then I bought individual colors, and then I was gifted some colors too, so I don't really know how many I have, but I think it's enough. So I'm just having fun with different size brushes. So I'm almost done here. And then I don't know what colors to use for his outfit. It's been a while since I watched Winnie the Pooh, and so this is what I had in my head. A red shirt and yellow for his shorts. And I just thought it was just a fun card. I didn't mention that I stamped and heat embossed the image with VersaFine ink and Hero Arts clear embossing powder. So it's a little bit easier to watercolor when it's heat embossed. Also, let me see, what else did I not mention? Yeah, so I'm just using some blue tape also to hold it down. You can easily grab that from your dollar store, or any store probably has that. It's a really simple See, I did add a little bit, I did color on a little bit, but that was just to make it darker in certain areas, I guess, like my shadow. He's so cute, Winnie the Pooh. I did recently buy some dies too, but there wasn't a die for this one. Because Unity, they have some dies on sale. You could get the whole set, but I didn't get the whole set. I just got some individuals. So that is done. I'm going to cut it out with this Trinity Stamps. It's an A7 set. I am going to use this Misty Transparency to try and stamp my image straight, which it did help. It was my first time using it. I had it in my stash for a long time. So again, I will heat emboss that. It looks so pretty. I had this pattern paper in my stash. It was free one time from scrapbook.com. So I will list this down, and I went for a wood grain or wood. Yeah, I think it was just like this wood here. I thought it looked good. So I cut it down to fit my card, and I made a custom card base. And then I am just going to be adding some sequins. So super easy, super relaxing card. I love this card. I'm using liquid glue to glue it down here. And I hope you enjoyed my card process. Super easy to do a one-layer card. I don't do them enough. Here's an old set of neat and tangled sequins and on point glue here, and I'm just going to put 3 sequins and I am done. So I hope you enjoyed my card. I will be back soon with another video. I'm going to try and hope to do more videos so that you can come back and see some of my card processes. And I'm just using a Trinity Stamps what is that tool here? And I'm all done, and I'll show you the card in just a second. Have a great day.